guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your metadata. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. I need to jump into my computer and to show you how to actually do it. If you want to edit the full metadata, just go again to your channel. This is like the inside step by step that you can do. Click your channel, then YouTube Studio Beta. And then on your left hand side, the bottom part, there's Creator Studio Classic. Click on it. Click skip. And then click Video Manager. And here you can see all your videos. Just click Edit. In this step, you will be able to change the thumbnail, the description, the tags. You can add and edit the title, the description. You can add tags. If you are using some extension, you can add some tags in here, or just type it manually. Once you are done and you're okay, you can click Save. If you want to change the thumbnail, just click Custom Thumbnail. Please take note that custom thumbnail is available once you have reached, I think, a certain number of subscribers. Just click Save when you're done. And that's it. For you to get updated with my latest upload, please click subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you for watching.